We are pleased to show you the 2019 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions, plus zero gasoline, equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, heated steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.